All right. Make sure you're comfortable. Find yourself a seat. Let's just talk, sit,
Yeah.
and have productive conversation. Let's go. Can you be seated, please?
Uh, okay.
You stand up, right?
Yeah. There you go.
All right. Okay. Tell me about yourself, where you're from, and how you find yourself on this page.
Uh, I'm from Manchester, UK,
Mm-hmm.
and I've been following you for last 3 years, I think,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm a big fan of you.
Thank you very much, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. So you said you've been living in UK for how long?
It's been now like 1 year.
A year. It's been a year. Good. Uh, okay. Tell me about yourself. You know, your ambitions, your hobbies, things that you like to do. Let me get to know you as a person. Miso.
Yeah.
Miso is your name, right? You have a different name.
Now, just Miso. You can call me
Yeah.
Miso.
Okay. You have a different name. I've never met anyone named. It's called Miso. Is it Misa?
No, Miso.
All right.
It's
What does it
actually
mean?
it's actually like abbreviation.
Of
I think every letter stands for different words.
like, do you mind elaborating that?
No, I don't want to. Sorry.
Misrak Industry Solution Origin. What is it? Okay. No pressure.
Yeah,
So, you said you've been living in UK for a year, right?
just
So
one.
before that, how was your life like in Ethiopia? What did you do for work, and why did you seek refuge in UK?
Uh, I've been working as like electrical technician, mobile technician,
Hmm.
and yeah, uh, I just went. I just I don't know how to say. I just came to UK for better life. That's all.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm. What are your hobbies?
Uh, I like to code like and computer. Yeah,
Hmm.
th- those
All
things.
right, that's your hobby.
Yeah, I like to code and I like to uh, read like technology and scientific fictions like that.
All right, all right. So whenever you have free time, that's what you do. You don't go out for a walk. You don't read books. You don't play soccer. You just sit on your computer and start
Yeah,
coding.
yeah. I don't like to play football or something like that.
That's good. That's good. All right. Now I'm going to give you the chance to speak for 2 minutes so I can assess your English and tell you what you can work on. All right. So you said you've been living in UK for a year. Tell
Yeah.
me three good sides, all right? Three upsides and three downsides of living in UK for 2 minutes. Right now it's 41, right? So until it's 42, I'll give you a time. Think about it. When it's 3:42, you can start speaking, all right? For 2 minutes only.
Okay.
Think. You're
And
supposed to speak for 2 minutes. You barely spoke for a
oh,
minute. Come on, man. Keep it
okay.
going.
And uh, downsides are the another thing. May it's difficult for immigrants because there are some racist people in this country. So may you can experience like bad things, and some guys may insult you or such kind of things because of you are black or because of that things. Yeah. And another thing is the accent is very difficult to. It's not like American English, especially when you go to like Scotland and Ireland. It's difficult to communicate with those people because of their accents and the way they speak, and even the slang is different from Manchester. Manchester to Liverpool, they speak different kind of techniques. Yeah.
All right. Okay. You tried. You tried. Okay. When it comes to your English, what are your insecurities? Do you have problem with your pronunciation? Guys, not for me. Please. Thank you. I really appreciate all the gifts. Again, gifቶችም ስጣቸው ለኒሳው ለሚገቡልኝ ሰዎች ነው። እሺ. So when it comes to your English, do you struggle with pronunciation? Is it vocabulary or grammar? Where do you think is your shortcoming?
I think the grammar and I'm not fluent. I can speak. I know words. I can listen nicely, but it's difficult to talk, to speak, and maybe my accent. Yeah.
Okay, you know what I observed? You're okay. You're good. You're all right. But when I see you, you're stressed. You know, you're just speaking so formal. I don't think you're relaxed. The moment you came to me, you're supposed to be, hey, Abby, how you doing? I'm a huge fan, by the way. Huge fan, right? I've been following you for 3 years. Really? Yeah, like the conversation would flow with ease. But you came and you said, hey, Abby, I've been following you for 3 years. I'm a big fan. And I'm like, okay, like, you know, I can't feel words by themselves. They're nothing. You know, the way you speak, your intonation, how up and down, like it goes, that's what gives me your emotion. You know, like we use words to express how we feel, right? But there are two things that come in play. First one is your words. Second one is your intonation. You know what intonation is? Your rhythm.
Yeah.
Right? So that's missing. And it tells me that you're not relaxed. That's the only thing I see.
Okay.
Let me talk to you about something else and maybe that could change. Relax, all right? Do you have a girlfriend?
Yes, I have.
Yeah, okay. All right. Tell me where you met your girlfriend and how you convinced her or how she convinced you to be yours. But relax. But I'm relaxed. እንደዚህ ሆነ እንደዛ ሆነ በድርቀው እንዳነገረኝ ኦኬ ይገርምሃል እንደዚህ ሆነው እንደዛ ነው እና እንዲሁ ብዬ ራሱ አላሰብኩም ነበር ከዛ እንደዚህ ሆኖ እንደዛ ሆኖ connecting phrases ያስክ ቀጥልኝ let's go.
Actually, I meet her through social media. And she's from my area. I mean, the place I used to live in Ethiopia. And actually, we are now in long distance relationship, but we communicate every day. We chat every day. That's how it's going on now.
Okay, still a bit reserved, but okay, nice. Actually, tell me everything you did yesterday. Let me just taste your grammar. You're on a dry, you're on topic. What time is it for you right now?
It's now 12 or 7. Only 3 hours different from
Only
Ethiopia.
3 hours difference. All right, all right. Okay, tell me everything you did from morning till now.
Today I am off from work. Just I've been sleeping and I just cook and I'm trying to make
past የተጠቀምክ past tense የተጠቀምክ እንደዚህ ያደረኩኝ ከዛ እንደዚህ ያደረኩኝ ያልክ መጀመሪያ ተነሳው ምናምን ያልክ ቤዚክ ነገሮችን ንገረኝ።
I just cook my breakfast and I'm just trying to make coffee and
እስኪ እኔ ምልን እሺ ንበለኝ ተነሳው በለኝ።
I just wake up.
ቡና ፈላው በለኝ።
Make a coffee.
No, ወደ ፓስት የቀየርካቸው ማመን ሚሶ ወደ ፓስት exactly. So ተነሳው በለኝ።
I waked up.
አይባልም ሚሶ።
Okay.
ትንሽ አስተካክላት እንዳታያቸው ኮመንት እንዳታነብ።
ዌክድ አይባልም።
ዌክድ አይባልም።
I don't know how to say that.
እሺ ያው አሁን እሺ ኮመንት ማንበብ ትችላለህ። ምን እያሉ ነው?
I woke up.
ናይስ አይመስልም?
Yeah.
ይመስላል። I woke up, right? ናይስ። እሺ ሰው ተነሳው በለኝ።
I woke up.
ምን ማለት ነው? ተነሳው actually ሳይሆን ነቃው ነው። ተነሳው ሲሆን I got up ነው የሚሆነው አይደል? I got up ተነሳው ነው right? So ተነሳው በለኝ እስኪ።
I got up.
ነቃው በለኝ።
I woke up.
He's woke ብልም ለማትፈልጌ ነው።
ንቁ ነው ነቅቷል።
ግን by the way he's woke ስል ማለት ከእንቅልፍ ነቅቷል እያልኩኝ ነው።
በቃ ንቁ ነው
የገባው ነው በአእምሮ የገባው ነው። ከሰዎች አንድ ስቴፕ ከፍ ያለ ነው ለማስፈልግ he's woke ብለህ መጠቀም ትችላለህ። right ከዛ ውጭ ግን hey man get up ስልክ wake up ስልክ ነቅቻለሁ ለማስፈልግ ምንድን ነው የምትለው? ይሄን ከመለስክልኝ አንድ ወር ነፃ ኮርስ እሰጥሃለሁ። እንዳታነቡ እንዳትነግሩት ምንም ጎ 3 ሰከንድ አለ። የተለያየ መልስ ሌላ መልስ ሌላ መልስ እሺ ሌላ መልስ መቼም ስለሱ ጋይስ come on ሌላ መልስ ነው ስለሱ ግራ አጋውት ተነሳ አልኩ ዌክ አፕ አልኩኝ ተነስቻለሁ በለኝ ሌትስ ጎ አንድ ወር በነፃ ሌትስ ጎ አይደለም ሌትስ ጎ I am wake up ማ እኔ መንቃት ነኝ ያልክ ነው። ኖ እናንተ ታስፎግራላችሁ እንዴ? በቃ ተውት። I'm awake ነው የምትለው። I'm awake እስኪ በለው።
I'm awake
ናይስ። እኔን እስኪ ነቅተሃል በለኝ።
Do you awake?
Are you
awake?
Very good. እስኪ ነቅቻለሁ በለኝ።
I'm awake.
ተነቅተሃል በለኝ።
Do you awake?
No, I am ካልክ you ስትል you are ነው እንጂ የምትለው do you አይደለም የምትለው። do you ማለት ታደርጋለህ ማለት ነው። Okay, do you eat, do you sleep ምናምን ነው። so I am ካልክ እኔ ጋር ሲሆን you are ነው ማለት ያለብህ። ነቅቻለሁ በለኝ።
I'm awake.
እኔ ነቅተሃል በለኝ።
Are you awake?
ተኝተሃል በለኝ።
Do you sleep?
Are you
sleep?
sleep ላይ ከፊቱ ኤ ጨምርበት።
Are you asleep?
are you asleep እንደዛ ነው የሚባል። ይሄን እኮ ነው የምልህ። ይኸው ላንፊት እንደዚህ ያለች ይባላል እንዴ ነገር እንደዚህ asleep የሚባል ነገር አለ እንዴ ምናምን ነገር የሚል ነገር አለ። of course አለ. and that's why you need us, you know, like we'll introduce you to a lot of words like this. You don't say are you sleeping? Are you asleep? I'm asleep. All right, actually you can't say I'm asleep because you'd be sleeping. So he's asleep. He is asleep. All right, እንቅልፍ ውስጥ ነው እያልክ ነው። he is awake ነቅቷል እያልክ ነው። overall you're okay. ግን ትንሽ ቴክኒካል የሆኑት ቤዚክ የሚባሉት ነገሮች ላይ ወጥረህ ብትሰራ ለምሳሌ ፓስት ላይ ምናምን ያሉት ነገሮች is going to take you miles እና ስታወራ ትንሽ ሪላክስድ ብትሆን ፍሬዞች አሉ ከአንድ አይዲያ ትራንዚሽናል ፍሬዝስ you know በሚገርም ሁኔታ የሚያስቀው እኔ ይገርማል ማን ይገምት ነበር ምናምን አሉ እንደዚህ ናቹራል ለማድረግ እነዛ ቢሆን አሪፍ ነው. if you have the time we can hook you up with one of our best teachers. We have great curriculum. I designed it myself. ካለበት ቦታ ኦንላይን ማማር ትችላለህ ማለት ነው. I'm not going to give you the sponsorship, but it's affordable. It's not going to be a problem. All right? So, inbox like, leave me your number. እዛው ጋር እናወራለን ማለት ነው. Thank you for reaching out. You're doing great, man. ከዛ በፊት guys, okay, top it up እና ለሱ ደግሞ 100 እንግባለት 100 አበባ አንስተው. If you have any question, you can ask me. እንዲህ ሲባል ሰምቼ ነበር እንዲህ ማለት ነው ብለህ ደስ ያለን ጥያቄ ጠይቀኝ እስኪ። እስካሁን ድረስ ግራ ያጋባ ነገር ካለ ደስ ያለን።
ግራ ያጋባኝ ነገር የለም፣ ግን ምናልባት የሞር ኢትዮጵያ እያለው የአሜሪካን እንግሊሽ ነበር ብዙ ነገር ኤክስፒሪየንስ ያደረኩት። መጣ ግን ብዙ ነገር በጣም ተቀይሯል። እሱ ነገር
ምን ተቀየረ? ጋይስ ከሞን እሺ፣ እሱን እኮ ማዋራው እናንተ የምሰጡት አበባ ምናምን 100 እስኪሞላ ድረስ ነው እንጂ ከሱ ጋር ኦልሞስት ጨርሰናል። ቤዚክሊ ይኸውልህ 80% የሚሆነው አንድ አይነት ነው ቋንቋው። በተለይ ቮካቡላሪያቸው ምናምናቸው አንድ አይነት ነው። አንዳንዴ ስፔሊንግ የሚለያያቸው ነገሮች አሉ እና አንዳንድ ቃላቶች ለምሳሌ ጋርቤጅ ስትል ራቢሽ የሚሉት ነገሮች አሉ። ራይት ትራሽ ምናምን አንዳንድ ነገሮች አሉ እንጂ አክሰንቱ ይለያል ኦብቪየስሊ። እሱም ሩሎች ነው የምታያቸው። ቲን ፕሮናውንስ አያደርጉም እዛ ጋር ደግሞ አርን ፕሮናውንስ አያደርጉም ምናምን የሚለው ምናምን ነገር ሲሉ ነው ኮዩሌአ ሲሉ ቲና አርን ፕሮናውንስ አያደርጉትም ምናምን የሚባሉ ቤዚክ ሩሎች አሉ። ግን ከዛ ውጭ አሁን የነገርኩህ ነገሮች ማለት ነው አዌክ አስሊፕ ምናምን 80% የሚሆነው is exactly the same, so you don't really have to worry about that. ከዛ ውጪ ኤክስፕሬሽኖች አሉ። ከዛ ውጪ በጣም ከባድ የሚሆንበት ኤክስፕሬሽኖች አሉ። ኤክስፕሬሽን ተምራ ጨርሰው እና ደግሞ ቮካቡላሪም ደግሞ አለበት። ይሄ የምርምር ቋንቋ ስለሆነ በጣም በቴክኖሎጂ ጋር ስትደራደር ዲስቃላቶች አሉ። በሜዲሲን ጋር ስምጣሉ እነሱ ጃርገኖች ይባላሉ። ከዶክተር ጋር ባወራ እኔ ራሱ አልገባቸው ያሉ በጣም ብዙ ነገሮች ስለሚጠቀም ማለት ነው። ከዛ ውጭ ግን ኖርማል ኤክስፕሬሽኖች አሉ። ኦኬ ለምሳሌ በቀላሉ በጣም በቀላሉ ገብቼ ኮንሰፕት ለማስያዝ ያክል እንቀጥላለን። እርዳኝ በማለት ፋንታ ምን ልትሄድ ትችላለህ? እቃ የተሸከምክ ነው ለምሳሌ። ስለዚህ እርዳኝ ለማስፈልግ ምን ትለኛለህ?
Can you help me?
ኖ ይሄማ ገገማ እንግሊዝኛ ነው። እንደዚህ ነው።
I don't know.
ስጠኝ በለኝ።
Give me your hand.
እስኪ በለኝ።
Give me your hand.
ይቺ ራሷ ትልቅ ለውጥ ታመጣለች። ባይዘው ጊቭ ሚ ዮር ሃንድ ጊቭ ሚ ዮር ሃንድ ካለ እንደዚህ ብሎ ነው የሚሰጥህ ሰውዬው ቀጥታ። ጊቭ ሚ ዮር ሃንድ አለ የምትለው ጊቭ ሚ አ ሃንድ ነው የምትለው። ጊቭ ሚ አ ሃንድ ካን ዩ ጊቭ ሚ አ ሃንድ ጊቭ ሚ አ ሃንድ። እጅ ስጠኝ ነው እንጂ እጅህን ስጠኝ አይደለም የሚሆነው። this is one expression። አሁን ይሄ በጣም ኖርማል ነው፣ የተለመደ ነው። ልክ እንደዚህ በጣም ብዙ ነገሮች አሉ። I'm under the weather ማለት ነው።
I mean what?
I'm under the weather. I've been feeling under the weather lately. አሁን አሜሪካ ጋር ብትሄድም ስኮትሽ ጋር ብትሄድም ምንም ጋር ብትሄድ እንዴት ናቸው? under the weather. under the weather
I don't know. ሰምቼ አላውቅም።
ቃል በቃል ግን ስታየው under the weather
ድብርት ጦር ብቻ
I'm under the weather ስትል አየሩ ተጫጭኖኛል ነገር እንደሚለው ነው። ግን እሱ you're about to be sick like ትንሽ ሊያመኝ ነገር ነው ለማስፈልግ I'm under the weather ትላለ። እነዚህ አይነት ኤክስፕሬሽኖች አትሊስት common expressions ካልተረዳቸው በየሄድክበት ዝም ብለህ በደመነፍስ ኦኬ ኖ እያልክ ትሄዳለህ እንጂ like it's going to take time to learn them. so expressions ግራ ሊገባ ይችላል። ሁሉም አክሰንት ነው ወይ ራሳቸውን እንግሊዝኛ ያላቸው ማለት አይደለም። ኤክስፕሬሽን በጣም በብዛት ስለሚጠቀሙ ነው። በቻልከው መጠን ኤክስፕሬሽኖችን ለመማር ሞክር። again እኛ ጋር የምትመጣ ከሆነ እነዚህ ነገሮች 30-40% ሸረፍ አድርገን ሜን ግራስፕ እንድታደርገው ወይ እንድትቀስመው ዋና ሀሳቡን እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው። ቴንክ ዩ ቨሪ ማች ሚሰው ኢንቦክስ ሚ ዮር ነምበር ቴሌግራም ስልክ ቁጥርና ጻፍልኝና እዛው ጋር ደውለን እናወራለን። ኦኬ
አመሰግናለሁ በጣም።
I appreciate it brother, you're the best.